Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today I have a Birchbox for you. Y'all, this is only my second or third Birchbox, but I have really been enjoying Birchbox. I wasn't sure if I was gonna love it, you know, it's just another sample box, but yeah, I've really liked it so far. Just to tell you a little bit about it, it is a makeup and beauty subscription box you get monthly. If you want to try this box, I have a code. You go to birchbox.com, you put in this code VIP50, it will get you half off your first box. So that is great. You get 5 deluxe samples each month with a reusable box. You can also buy the full-size products from these boxes on their website. You get products like hair care, skincare, makeup, gift subscriptions. They have a magazine you can go on there and read articles that'll help you out. They do have a limited edition, different limited edition boxes, different times, you know, they'll have different boxes. If you subscribe month to month, it is $15. If you commit to 3 months, it's it's still $15. If you commit to 12 months, it's $13 a month instead. So that gives you a little idea about Birchbox. Now we are gonna open it up. I just gotta get this laptop out of my way. You know I have to have cheat sheets because I just can't remember everything. So many boxes, so little memory. All right, they have pull tabs to open this box. And here we go. Are we ready? Well, maybe that one didn't come all the way off. Okay. Now, are we ready? Here we go. So this is what's inside. So this month, instead of having an actual, you know, box, cardboard box that's reusable, they gave us this cute mesh beach bag. Orange, that pink or purple, pink, yellow, just cute, fun summer colors. I mean, that's great for taking to the beach, isn't it? And this is the Less is More box. Scan the code to visit the Summer Essential box. Cue your favorite hot weather anthem. There you'll find the heroes in the box, your favorite sunscreen, the best no makeup. So I'll put that there. Hopefully it'll zoom in on it good enough that you can scan it if you'd like to. What does it say? P.S. Show you how you reused your mesh bag on Instagram for a chance to be featured. And then on the back is where the products are. Hey, Miss Cali Cat. No, probably just messed up my makeup. I had something on it. Meet your simple, effortless, one and done beauty dream team, aka your July Birchbox. It's here to help you streamline so you can spend less time getting ready and more time making the most of your summer. I kind of like the time that I used to get ready. I could sit there and watch everybody's videos. You know, it's fun playing with makeup to me. I don't know. So I'm gonna dig in. And it says Birchbox on there. Very cute little bag. Ooh, I see lips. I see lips. So this is kncbeauty all natural collagen infused lip mask. Y'all, I see my friends doing these all the time. I've never actually received a lip mask, so I'm very curious to try this. You know, I've used like the little scrubby ones that you just squeeze out a little bit and scrub, but nothing that you just stick on your face. This is all natural collagen infused lip mask. The full size of this product is $24.99, infused with rose flower oil, cherry extract, and vitamin E. This lip mask deeply conditions, plumps, and primes. Apply to clean lips for 15 to 20 minutes. So you stick it on there and you can't say anything for 15 to 20 minutes. I guess that's when you watch a video, because yeah, SOLU shampoo, clarifying solution shampoo for all types of hair. Shampoo that's in a different language with buckwheat extract. Okay. Davines clean SOLU shampoo, full size, is $29. This shampoo is formulated to remove the residue of styling products. Yeah, I need that because I've been having to put a lot of style in my hair lately. The rich and airy foam leaves the hair extremely clean. Apply to wet hair, massage gently, and rinse. I mean, I don't know that I love the smell of this. It's not horrible. It's just not my favorite. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just, yeah, I don't know how to describe it. It's just a different kind of smell. I was expecting a more shampoo-y smell, you know, but that's the thing about these, is you try things that you wouldn't normally pick for yourself. I love that. I think this is IPKN, Seoul, New York. Sunscreen with apple extract. Sunscreen SPF 50. So this is Big Apple Sunscreen SPF 50. Full size is $24. This oil-free SPF sunscreen has a color-correcting base and contains apple water extract to calm skin, minimize appearance of pores, and create a smooth canvas for makeup. Okay. Look, it's a little bigger than the nozzle. I'm not gonna undo it right now, but very cool. I like that it has apple extract in it. That's pretty neat. All right, this is Megababe Space Bar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. Yeah, I saw this in an email and I was like, what is that? You know, so let's just read about it. That's what it looks like. It's covered in paper. It is a actual bar of something or other. Megababe, this is a clean product. Space Bar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. Full size is $8. It says odor control that's out of this world in just 60 seconds. Activated charcoal sends I can never say that right. Odor causing toxins down the drain. Glycolic acid and tea tree smooth and clarify. So basically this is a charcoal bar soap that you use on your armpits, I think. I'm just gonna pull that email up because I'm curious now as to what it says. Hang on. All right, so this says, here's all you need to know about it. Here's all you need to know about this do-it-all cleanser. What it is: a charcoal-infused bar created specifically to target your pits. Not only does it remove odor, but it gives your armpits a deep cleanse and leaves them smooth, ready for your favorite deodorant. What's inside that makes it great? Activated charcoal pulls toxins, dirt, and oil to the surface of the skin, helping to withdraw any and all stench. Tea tree oil helps to clarify and balance your pits. Glycolic acid and alpha hydroxide acid, AHA, gently exfoliates to remove dead skin, leaving your pits soft and bright. Sodium chloride, aka the odor eliminator, naturally fights off the BO smell and helps to remove bacteria from your pit area. Avocado, sunflower, and olive seeds help to smooth and nourish the skin, leaving your baby smooth. How to use: every time you shower, lather and massage the bar into your skin. Make sure to leave on for 60 seconds. Rinse and repeat as needed. Bonus, use it anywhere stinky skin is a concern, like your feet after a good workout. why you love it. That's just what everybody said about it. I'm not going to read people's comments. Yeah, okay, very interesting. I don't know if I'm curious to try this out or scared of it, but that was in there as well. And we got one more thing in here. Let's see what the one more thing in the wee cute little baggie is. This is Play Tint Pink Lemonade Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. Alright, by Benefit. Benefit Cosmetics, woman founded, first time sampling. Play Tint Lip and Cheek Stain. Full size is $18. This pink lemonade stain gives lips and cheeks a natural flush. Using the applicator, glide onto the lips, layering to build your desired color. Then dot and blend quickly into cheeks. Alright, there's the little applicator. So it is a cute little pink, and I could see that it would make a good blush or lipstick. That's pretty cool. I like to do that sometimes just to match a little bit, but yeah, I like that. And that is what was in my Birch box. Y'all, don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think of these products. You know, the brands, what you think of the brands, if you tried them, if you want to try them, all that kind of stuff. I love to read it. While you're down there, I'd love it if you like this video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment and press that notification bell so you know when I put out new videos. So y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day. Miss Callie hopes you have a wonderful day. Isn't that right, baby girl? Y'all, God bless.